Let's recognize the time. Hi, I am Mr. Clock. I tell you the time. I have 3 hands. One is second hand, one is minute hand, and one is hour hand. This is a clock. Let's recognize the hands in clock. This is of hour hand. This is a minute hand. This is a second hand. When second hand moves 1 round, then minute hand move 1. When minute hand moves 1 round, then hour hand is increased by 1. There are 24 hours in a day. There are 60 minutes in an hour. And each minute has 60 seconds. Remember that the minute hand moved from one number to the next number in 5 minutes. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour or 60 minutes. The small marks on the dial of clock show the minutes. Look at this clock. The minute hand is exactly at 12. The hour hand is at 9. We say at 9 o'clock and write 9. The minute hand is exactly at 3. The hour hand is slightly moved ahead from 1. We say it is 15 minutes past 1 or quarter past 1. And write 1:15. The minute hand is exactly at 9, showing 45 minutes. The hour hand is slightly before 2. We say it is 45 minutes past 1 or quarter to 2 and write 1:45. Write the time below each of the clock. Recognize AM and PM. We use the AM for the time between midnight and noon. If it is a 9 o'clock in the morning, we write 9 AM.